Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about some captivating facts about Boeing planes. Did you know that Boeing first started out building seaplanes? In fact, their first commercial success was with the Model C flying boat in 1919. Fast forward to present day, and Boeing is now the world's largest aerospace company. One of their most popular planes is the Boeing 737, with over 10,000 units produced since its introduction in 1968. Another impressive milestone for Boeing was the development of the 747, which was the world's largest passenger airliner until 2007. Speaking of large planes, Boeing is also responsible for the giant C-17 Globemaster III, which is capable of carrying tanks, troops, and even other planes. And did you know that Boeing is also a major player in the space industry? They have developed several spacecraft, including the X-37B, which is an unmanned reusable spacecraft. Finally, let's talk about speed. NASA's experimental plane, the X-43, set a world record in 2004 for the fastest aircraft ever, traveling at almost Mach 10. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts about the world of aviation.